So to evaluate this given using this integral by partial fractions, so first from this given, so we need to separate this denominator. So that's over 2x plus 1, then plus over x minus 3. Then in the numerator, so assign a variable. So we have a for the first denominator and b for the second denominator. Then to simplify, so we need to multiply this whole equation by this denominator. So times 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. Then we need to distribute. So observe that we can cancel now this whole equation. So the remaining on this term is 3x minus 11, then equals, distribute to this term, then observe that we can cancel this 2x plus 1, cancel 2x plus 1, so the remaining on this term is a times x minus 3, then plus, distribute to this term, then we can cancel this x minus 3, so the remaining is b times 2x plus 1. Then from this, we need to solve now for the values for a and b. So to solve for a, we need to make this b equals to 0. So to make b equals to 0 from this 2x plus 1, so just equate this to 0. Then transpose to the other side, so we have now 2x equals negative 1. And divide by 2 to solve for x. So therefore x must be equal to negative 1 half to make this b equals to 0. So therefore to solve for a, x must be equal to negative 1 half. Then substitute now this value for x to this equation. So this becomes 3 times negative 1 half minus 11, then equals from a. So x is negative 1 half. Then to simplify, so multiply this 3 to this negative 1. So this is negative 3 over 2. So just copy the denominator. Then minus 11, then equals a. Then to simplify this negative 1 half minus 3. So when adding a fraction and a whole number, so you can use this method. So just multiply this whole number, that's negative 3, times this denominator. So negative 3 times 2, that's negative 6. Then add to this numerator, that's negative 1. So you put this negative in the numerator. So this one is plus. So we have now negative 3 times 2, that's negative 6. And negative 6 plus negative 1. So since the same negative, so therefore this is equal to negative 7 over 2. So just copy this denominator. Then to simplify, so again, this negative 3 over 2 and negative 11. So adding a fraction and a whole number, so just multiply this whole number to this denominator. So negative 11 times 2, that's negative 22. And negative 22 plus negative 3. So the same negative. So this one is equal to negative 25. Then copy the denominator. So over 2. Then equals a times negative 7 over 2. Then again, since we need to solve for the value for a, so just divide both sides by this negative 7 over 2 divided by negative 7 over 2. So a now equals, so this negative 25 over 2 times the reciprocal or the inverse of this negative 7 over 2. So this one becomes negative 2 over 7. Then you multiply, so this negative times negative, so that becomes positive. And this 25 times 2, this one is 50, then over this 2 times 7, this one is 14. Then we reduce divisible by 2. So therefore A equals 25 over 7. Or you can do this method, so just cancel these 2. So we have now 25 over 7. So since we have now the value for A, then we need to solve also the value for B. So to solve for B, so we need to make this A equals to 0. So therefore from A equate to 0, so X must be equal to positive 3 to make this A equals to 0. So X equals positive 3. Then again, substitute to this equation. So X that's positive 3 then equals from B. So B equals 2 times 3 because X is equal to positive 3. Then to simplify, so this 3 times 3, that's 9 minus 11 equals this 2 times 3, this one is 6, and 6 plus 1, so therefore B times 7. Then this 9 minus 11, this one is negative 3 equals B times 7. And to solve for B, divide both sides by 7. Therefore, B equals negative 2 over 7. So these are now the values for A and B. Then from these values for A and B, we need to substitute to this equation. So just substitute the value for A and B, then take the integral. So this becomes the integral of A. A is 25 over 7, then over this 2x plus 1, then plus for B. B is negative 3 over 7, then over this x minus 3. Then to evaluate now the integral, so just put this constant outside. So this becomes 25 over 7, then the integral of dx over 2x plus 1, then plus. So just put this constant outside. So we have negative 3 over 7, then the integral of dx over x minus 3. Then to find now the integral, so we have this 25 over 7, then observed on this term, in the denominator, there is number on the first term. So we need to put this denominator outside. So therefore, this is 1 over 2. Then times ln, this denominator, so 2x plus 1. Then for this positive and negative, so this becomes negative. Then observe on this term, since there is no number on the first term, therefore just put ln, then x minus 3, then plus c. Then to simplify, so multiply and multiply. So this becomes 25 over 14, then ln, the absolute value of 2x plus 1, then minus 2 over 7, ln, the absolute value of x minus 3, plus c.